everybody, I got a question for you. What does this spalted maple and this crystal have in common? If you said they have something to do with one of my tables, that would be correct. So we're starting a new console table with this beautiful piece of spalted maple with all this burl on it. And I'm going to be trying out a whole bunch of different techniques on this thing. The one thing I'm pretty sure of is that the epoxy is going to be a clear, like emerald green. I don't have a name for the table, so if you do have a name suggestion, go ahead and throw it up in the comments. Once we get all the bark off that we could peel by hand, we hit it with the wire wheel, and it went pretty quick, but it's super messy. Normally, I would do this outside, but if you know what's going on with the weather near Louisville, Kentucky, you would know that that's not really a possibility right now. Last thing for now is just to hit it with a jigsaw and smooth it out a little bit, getting it ready for the pour. But I have a ton of prep work which involves this crystal, so I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm doing, see if you can guess, but I'm going to be making a mold, a positive mold out of that crystal. And that starts with mixing up a little bit of silicone first and degassing it. And this is my absolute first time degassing silicone. I thought that it would be a lot worse than epoxy because it's a lot thicker than epoxy, but it degassed super quick. There's always something about watching the bubbles go up and down, and all that means is I put it in a vacuum chamber and all the micro bubbles get burst. I filled the top divot of the crystal and then poured the rest in our mold container.